How to fix Google Chrome browser slow or lagging. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome slow or lagging easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is go to your browser. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top right here, click on those three dots. Click like this and then go down to settings. After you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Go right here and go down to system. And after you click on system, you will find three options. Go to the second option and disable it. It's called use hardware acceleration when available. Now all what you have to do is disable it, and yeah, your browser is gonna be more fast than it was. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.